Greetings, seekers of truth. Every particle in the universe, from the stars in the sky to the thoughts in our mind, vibrates at its unique frequency. Today, we explore how you can tune these vibrations to not just exist, but to thrive and manifest the life you envision. It all begins with understanding the basics. According to quantum physics, what appears as solid matter is, on a closer look, mostly empty space filled with energy in constant motion. This energy is not static. It vibrates, and these vibrations are the foundation of existence. Everything has a vibrational frequency, including us. Our thoughts and feelings emit vibrations that can influence what happens around us. This isn't just a mystical belief, but a scientific insight that opens up incredible possibilities. Our thoughts and emotions are powerful transmitters of energy. Negative thoughts lower our frequency, while positive thoughts raise it. By controlling our mental and emotional output, we control the vibrations we send out into the world. Imagine your mind as a broadcasting tower, sending signals out based on your emotional state and thoughts. What signals are you sending? Are they signals of abundance, health, and joy? Or are they of scarcity, fear, and sadness? To manifest your desires, your personal vibrations must resonate with those of the universe. This alignment is like tuning into the perfect radio station where every song played is one you love. This alignment is achieved through mindfulness, meditation, and conscious living. It's about being in the present, fully and joyfully aware of your vibrational state at every moment. Let's talk about how to practically align your vibrations. Start with meditation. It helps clear your mind and elevate your frequency. Then, use affirmations. They reinforce the vibration of what you wish to manifest. Don't underestimate the power of your physical environment either. Surround yourself with beauty, cleanliness, and symbols of what you want to manifest. Your environment can either raise or lower your vibrations. What you consume physically also affects your vibrations. Nutritious foods, rich in life force energy, increase your vibrational frequency. Regular physical activity clears blockages and increases your energy flow. Think of your body as a vessel for energy. The cleaner and more tuned this vessel, the more effectively it can navigate and create within the vibrational realms of our reality. Sometimes, despite our best efforts, we face vibrational blockages. These can stem from unresolved emotional issues, limiting beliefs, or even from the energies of the people around us. Clearing these blockages often requires deep inner work. This can include therapy, spiritual practices, or simply changing your circle of influence to include those who uplift and inspire you. Creating daily rituals can profoundly stabilize and elevate your vibrations. Morning routines, like yoga or writing in a gratitude journal, set the tone for a high vibrational day. Consistency in these practices creates a steady flow of positive energy, helping to manifest desires more naturally and fluidly. Let's hear some real-life stories from people who have mastered their vibrations and transformed their lives. These stories are just a few examples of how powerful aligning your vibrations can be. They changed their reality by changing their vibrations. One such story is that of Sarah, who was struggling with her career. She felt stuck and uninspired. But once she began to focus on raising her vibrations through daily meditation and positive affirmations, opportunities began to open up for her. Today, she's in a job she loves and feels more fulfilled than ever. Another example is John, who was facing financial difficulties. By practicing gratitude and visualizing abundance, he gradually shifted his energy. As a result, he attracted new business opportunities that improved his financial situation significantly. Gratitude is a powerful tool in raising your vibrational frequency. When you express gratitude, you acknowledge the positive aspects of your life, no matter how small. This shifts your focus from lack to abundance. Gratitude opens the door to more positive energy. It's like telling the universe, I appreciate what I have, and I'm ready for more. Make it a habit to list 3 things you're grateful for every day. Watch how your life begins to change. Visualization is another potent technique to align your vibrations with your desires. When you visualize, you create a mental image of your goal as if it's already achieved. This sends a strong signal to the universe, aligning your vibrations with the reality you want to create. Spend a few minutes each day visualizing your dreams. Feel the emotions as if they are real. This emotional charge amplifies your vibrations, bringing your desires closer to manifestation. Music and sound play a significant role in our vibrational energy. Certain frequencies can elevate our mood and energy levels, while others can lower them. Listening to high-frequency music, like classical or binaural beats, can help raise your vibrations. Incorporate sound healing practices, like singing bowls or chanting, into your routine. These sounds resonate with the energy centers in your body, promoting balance and harmony. Nature is one of the most powerful sources of high vibrational energy. Spending time outdoors, whether it's a walk in the park or a hike in the mountains, can significantly elevate your vibrations. Nature's energy is pure and untainted. It grounds us, restores our balance, and enhances our overall well-being. Make it a point to connect with nature regularly, and you'll notice a positive shift in your energy. As we conclude, remember that mastering your vibrational energy is not just about influencing your external world, it's about transforming yourself from the inside out. You are powerful, capable of influencing your reality in ways you've never imagined. Thank you for joining us on this journey of self-discovery and transformation. If you found today's content valuable, please like, subscribe, and share this video. Keep vibrating at the frequency of your dreams, and watch as the universe conspires to meet you there.